Today, I will be teaching you the yoga postures for reducing belly fat. So, let's begin.
So let's begin. Sit comfortably, bend your knees, and with the support of your thighs, just lie down on your back and bring your ankles near your hips and your hands near your shoulders. And with the support of your hands and feet, just raise up your body and hold in this posture for as much as you can. Asana improves spine flexibility and strength, is one of the best stretches which tones the abdominal region, cures backache, relieves stress, strengthens your body. And whenever you feel like, you get back to the normal, lying down on your back and take few deep breaths in and out. For Mandukasana, bend your knees and come in Vajrasana. And you have to make your fist with your thumb inside with your left hand and put that on your navel. Then with your right hand, as shown in the video, put it above the left one. Take a deep breath in, and while you breathe out, come down, keeping your spine straight and keep looking forward. Hold it for at least 30 seconds. Mandukasana. It prevents diabetes, improves digestive system, relieves stress and anxiety, strengthens the back, hips, knees and ankles, improve heart health and circulation. Of course, it reduces fat from belly, hips and abdomen. And come back to the Vajrasana and it's done. Let's do Dandasana. For that, put your hands onto the ground and with the support of your knees, just be there and then put your right foot at the back while raising your right knees, then raise your left knee and come in Dandasana. So, few things to remember: don't look upwards, just look forward or literally down, and also don't do this like this. Keep your spine straight and erect and firm and hold it as much as you can. Benefits are: it strengthens your core, increases muscle definition, heightens metabolism, reduces back pain, gives you better posture, improves balance. What else is required? Come back on your knees and sit in Vajrasana and it's done. Let's do Adho Mukha Samvasana. Come on your knees and hands. Raise your right knee and put your right foot at the back of your mat. Then raise your left knee. Come in plank. Then slowly raise your hips up and try to touch your heels with the ground. And try to maintain the posture with your spine erect. Adho Mukha Samvasana strengthens the upper body, stimulates the blood flow, improve your body posture, fine-tunes your foot muscles, improves blood flow to the brain, strengthen your arms, improves your body posture, and it works on the back of your legs, also tones your core. So what else is required? Come back on your knees and go in child pose and be there for as much as you want it to be. Come back and it's done. Now we will do Nokasana. So sit with your spine straight. What we are gonna do? Just bend your right knee, then left, and with the support of your under thigh, keeping your spine straight, just tilt at the back. You can hold it like this also with the support of your hands, or you can straighten your knees and with your fingers pointing towards your toes and try to hold it for at least 30 seconds. It will burn your core. Nokasana strengthens the abdominal muscle. It also strengthens the muscles of the arms, thighs and shoulders. After holding for few seconds, come back to the normal.